You also talk about the timing of decisions. Why does that matter so much in law firms?
Oh, that's a great one. Timing is one of the most underestimated part of decision-making process. This is exactly where many partnerships starts and sleeps. Beyond the substance of decision, the decision-making process also about timing, discipline, and right sequence of decisions. Decisions don't exist in isolation. They largely driven by firm's operating cycle. If you miss schedule, you don't just delay the decision, you fall out of the cycle. For example, decisions that shape the next business year, what I say with my clients, need to be prepared months in advance,
Mhm.
typically 4 or 5, not less. And if you sleep on early stages, you're no longer deciding. You simply catching up in the process on unfolding year, business year. And here I refer only to operational part. The strategic, the strategic decisions are a little bit different. They are less tied to operational cycle. But nevertheless, they still have their own logic, timing, and consequences. They require more space, probably they require more discussions and time, but still they couldn't be forever open-ended. I call them forever open-ended.
Mhm.
It's tempting. The legal profession is conservative by nature. So it naturally slows the decision-making process, innovation and changes in a law firm. Plus, partners themselves have a tendency to postpone, to avoid, to, waiting for more data, clarity, probably certainty. This is a luxury. There is no business who couldn't afford it these days. The business moving so quickly, market moving so quickly. So solution is very simple and very practical. Set a decision calendar, assign ownership, and stick to it. Key decisions have to be scheduled, have to be scheduled across the year. They have to be prepared in advance and be brought on the table right on time. That would keep firms as a business moving and competitive, in my opinion.